Hey, Himansh Bisht with Himanshu.com. In this video, you are going to discover what is the difference between a website and a funnel. Now, a lot of people preach this idea that websites are dead, and some people are like, no, you need a website so you can grow your business, and you need some place where you can put your data, you can show off the world who you are and why do you exist, right? This is the thing why we build a website. But do you really need a website, and do you really need a funnel? And if not, then what you are exactly looking for that can grow your business, that can bring you more customers and clients, and eventually that can help you make more money, right? What you this is I'm going to be talking about. So make sure to watch it till the end. It's going to be very useful for you. And before I begin, if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon so that every time when I put a new video, you can get notified. All right. So let's begin. Understand this. There are some people who will tell you that you need a funnel and websites are dead. You don't need that anymore. And if you will build a funnel, you will be successful. And there are some people who are on website side, all right? So but the thing is, people who preach this idea like ClickFunnels and Kartra and other big companies, they also have a website, all right? They also have a home on the internet where they share who they are and what they are doing, and they are inspiring people with it. They are sharing their blogs, and they are getting appointments, all that stuff that is a part of a website. Okay, so it's not like you don't need a website or websites are dead, especially in 2021. You need both of them. And in fact, if I would say it in the correct way, you don't need anything. What you are really looking for is an ecosystem for generating sales and growing business on the internet. Now, what has happened is we have come online, right? Whole world is online. You need if you were in an offline business, you must have understood this. I back in 2018, I started this programming institute for kids, and it was fun because it was an offline institute. Students used to come, they used to learn. I used to sit with them, and I used to teach, and it was amazing. But it all starts with having a front office, right? So there is a stranger who comes to your front office. You talk to him, and then eventually he turns into your prospect and then to your customer, right? So what we are really looking for is a ecosystem, right? Understand this. We need an ecosystem that can turn a stranger into our customer, and then somehow we need a system that can deliver the product that we have promised or a service that we have promised, right? So we need a delivery system, we need a sales system, and we need a marketing engine, right? We need a marketing engine, right? So are you with me on this? Hopefully you are, right? So I'm not losing you on this. So this selling thing is needed, and that is done with a funnel. So you come to someone is coming to your store, and you are walking him through all the products that you have, and eventually he is making a purchase, and then maybe if he is interested, he would buy another thing and another thing. So this whole process, step by step process of selling, that is done with the help of funnels. And software like ClickFunnels and Kartra, these softwares help you to do that. But you also need a place where you can share your message, where you can share your videos. Now, you might say that you can use Facebook for it or YouTube for it, but the truth is these are not your platforms. If something happens to Facebook or if something happens to YouTube, then these things will go down, right? And what has happened in all these years, I have seen Facebook going from completely organic thing to an advertising hub where you if you want to make money, you need to keep feeding this beast. Okay, you need to keep spending money on advertising if you want to reach people. And the truth is, in fact, even to your followers, you cannot reach without spending money on Facebook. And if the same thing happens on YouTube or on Pinterest, something that is going really good right now, it's not going to be there forever, right? Because they are there to be in their business for their profit, not of yours. It's hard. I know it doesn't feel good to listen this, but this is the truth, and I want to be open on this front. If you want to build a business, you need your own system. So I'm talking about an ecosystem based model. I'm not talking about funnel. I'm not talking about website. You need a whole ecosystem. And in fact, I did this program, WordPress Sprint. A lot of people have gone through that program. It's a very straightforward 5 days program that will help you to design your website and your funnel at one place. Imagine this. People are spending so much time, money, and energy on building funnels, and then they are spending the same amount and even more on building a website, and then they are using a completely different thing for delivering the product, and they spend thousands of dollars on just creating this ecosystem without making any profit. It doesn't have to be that way, right? When you are starting up, you need an ecosystem that is sustainable and that is scalable, right? You cannot build something that after some time you feel like, it's not good, you want to change it. You cannot do it, right? You have like your business depending on it. You are seeing customers coming to it, and you are getting sales, and you have like whole bunch of things going on in the back end. Running a business is a mess, right? If you when you are in the beginning of your journey. So you need a system that is generating leads, at least generating leads and getting the sales. And sales can be done with a checkout system, so that's the easy part. But you need, first thing that you need is a place where you can put out your message, like a blog, and where you can talk who you are and why should people even care who you are. And you need a home page, like a front office of your offline business, and somehow a place where people can contact you, right? Like people can put their details, they can put their name, email, phone number, and all bunch of stuff that you want them to give, and then they can reach out to you, right? This is how this business starts, right? So you are looking for an ecosystem. So this is where you have to start. You are not looking for website, you are not looking for funnel, you are looking for an ecosystem that can turn a stranger into your customers. And if you are someone who wants to build this business, build this system for yourself, by yourself, make sure to click on the description, find out if the training is still available, and hopefully it's gonna be helping you with it. Okay, so there is a whole bunch of stuff going on. So I hope you would have learned something in this video. Let me know what do you think. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you have not done it already, hit the bell icon, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.